In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR error 451. This error can be frustrating, especially when you're ready to jump into VR. But don't worry, by following a few simple steps, you'll have everything running smoothly again in no time. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. To get started, open the settings on your PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting the Settings icon, or by searching for Settings directly. Once you're inside, this is where we'll make a few important system adjustments. Step 2. Go to Display Settings. Next, click on System, then select Display from the left-hand menu. Although this section mainly controls how things look on your screen, it also contains graphics-related options that are important for SteamVR. Scroll down until you find Graphics Settings and click on it. Step 3. Disable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Inside the Graphics Settings, click on Change Default Graphics Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This feature can sometimes conflict with SteamVR and cause error 451. Toggle this option off. Once you've disabled it, restart your PC. This step is essential so the change is properly applied. Step 4. Opt out of SteamVR Beta. After your computer restarts, open Steam and go to your library. Locate SteamVR, then right-click on it and select Properties. Next, click on the Betas tab. In the drop-down menu labeled Select the beta you would like to opt into, choose None. This will opt you out of any SteamVR beta versions that may be causing the error. Close the Properties window once done. Final step. Launch SteamVR. Now, launch SteamVR again and check if the error is gone. That's it. By disabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and opting out of SteamVR beta updates, you should have successfully fixed SteamVR error 451. If the issue persists, double-check that all steps were followed correctly and that your system is fully updated. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smooth and seamless VR gaming experience.